Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here with another unboxing video and a game review. Now, this one is a Scenic game, the deluxe version of a Star Trek Scenic, the DVD game. Stellar trivia game with real TV and video clips. Now this has got a very much of a metallic look to this. It's really funky as well. You've got 5 of the captains there of Star Trek. I'm not going to bore you with Star Trek. There's plenty of Star Trek stuff on my channel already. Let's just do an unboxing and see if this plays any good or not. Side. The up underneath has got, just showed you, what's inside. So it's kind of must be set. We got a date on this. 2009. Okay, so it's not exactly new, but it's not really old either. So what we got in the box? Want to play more games? Yes. Star Trek TV? Yes. Postage? Yes. Seattle. And quick start guide. You want to read the game? Off you go. Pause now. Done. So, I haven't actually played this yet, so I'm not entirely sure. So this is just going to be an unboxing straight away. Oh, that's a funky little game board. Upside down as well, but it's also not being used, so okay, so I'll guess that you'll go around in circles, start and get into the finish, all play to win. Okay, so you have to stop there, and then once you're all there, done. We even have sealed in game cards as well. 6-sided dice and an 8-sided pyramid, double pyramid dice. No idea at all. And DVD, which I've never ever used. So they must have certain games, certain questions on that. Get the figures last. Some more Prime Directive cards. You have been transported to the mirror universe. Ooh. Lose a turn while I figure out your way to return. Okay, so I might sort of look inside this a second. Let's get this open, shall we? Can't get this open. There we go. It's a proper unboxing this time. I just took the cellophane off the outside. Right then, so Scenic cards. If you roll, I assume a green, red, yellow, blue. Okay. In the original series episode, What a Little Girl's Made Of, which of the following is not an android? Dr. Corby, Andrea, or Rook? Oh no, Dr. Corby was an android. Wasn't Andrea? Rook was an older android, weren't he? He was the guy who played Lurch. Was it from Addams Family? I thought they were all. I don't know. Answer. Yeah, they're all androids. Ah, I got it right. Should have done, to be honest. Right, let's get another one I haven't actually seen the back of. Not that I was cheating them, by the way, but right. Who delivers Worf's son, Alexander Zinchenko, to the USS Enterprise D, Next Generation, in Newground? Oh, that's Kayla. She comes over and drops him off. Oh, Worf's mother. I thought it was... Okay. The last one, I think I might have just spied on the orange one. Which actor who played the captain of the Enterprise appeared as beauty pageant manager? Oh, Miss Congeniality. Yeah, that was William Shatner. Yeah. So you do that, you probably get a blue, you know, that's a blue question, or you'd have a... Maybe these are the blue questions, I don't know. But yeah. But this is what I want to look at now, is the game pieces. I've never actually looked at these. See if they're any good or not. Fresh out the packet. So we have the USS Defiant. These are metal, but they're not... They are solid metal. They're not that massive quality, but the game pieces. Nice little Delta shield underneath. These are micro machines ones, aren't they? These are really good. So you have the Defiant, you have the Voyager. There's not much detail underneath. A little bit on there. You have the classic Enterprise. It's not too badly detailed. The nacelles a little bit, need a bit bending in, but I mean, there's no parts on there that I could choke on, apart from the entire lot. It's not like the deflector on the front will fall off. That's cast well into it. And the final one, the Galaxy class Enterprise D. Completely flattened at the bottom. No detail at all, but like I say, it's just a game piece. Really nice. And that's absolutely tiny. So there we go. If you want to go out and buy Seen It, it's very, very available. It's Amazon, eBay, Argos, anywhere you want. I don't know, Target if it's in America. But I've had this for a few years, never opened it, need to play it to be honest. And yeah, have a good go at the instructions. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.